Okay, so I get a lot of questions about what is the best way to prime the fuel pump, and there's only one way to prime the fuel pump in these Jags. So if you're leaving the battery neutral off so you can save your battery, the fuel system's going to lose pressure over time. So it's going to take you a few starts to get it to do that. So to avoid that, this is how you prime the fuel pump, so that way you get a fresh, good start every time. So first things first, you're going to hit the brake, move it into drive, okay, and then you're going to turn the key and listen. Then I'm gonna put it in park and we'll give it a turn. Oh.